Well, it's a beautiful day here in Maine this morning. Sorry, did I hit you? Sorry. And so we've got a lot to do today. We have already really had a busy morning, but we've got a bunch of things to do outside. It's sunny. It's supposed to be 60 degrees today, so it's a perfect day to get outside and get some things done. But the first thing we need to do is go take care of our chickens. So let's go get that done first. Are you ready, Emma?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. Let's go say hi to the girls. Hey, girls. How's everybody this morning? Are you thirsty?
That black and white one is Snowflake.
It is. How's Snowflake doing this morning?
Good.
Good.
And that one with no orange on it is Myrtle.
Yeah?
She lays green eggs.
Yes, she does. All right, so we're going to get our water here. Hey, girls.
Don't
Good morning. Are you thirsty? Let's get you some water. I hear you, Myrtle.
And you know, and Mr. Jack was like bossing all the chickens, like chasing the chickens. I said, Mr. Jack?
Let's get some water.
And if you have one of these, make sure to turn it on.
Oh, just hang on a second. We're going to empty this out so that we can wash it out good.
It's going to be good. Are you ready, Ma?
Okay, 1 second. Okay, go ahead. Good job. Sorry, did I splash you? Sorry.
Legs.
Are you okay? I'll try not to splash you this time. Okay, you can turn it off.
It's time to get the girls some water.
Yeah, they need some water, don't they?
If you have one of these close to your chicken coop, make sure to use it so the chickens it doesn't have to wait too long. Tell me when to turn it off.
I will.
How long does it take to fill up this thing?
There we go. There's one.
The ones for the chicken? No, one for the ducks. Which is that one?
Let's empty this one.
I'm ready. It's full of mud.
Ooh, that one needs to be cleaned out more, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's full of mud.
Alright, ready? Watch out it doesn't splash on you.
Okay.
Oh dear, step back.
It's still splashing. Can I turn it off?
Not yet.
Oh, I heard a chicken crack.
Yeah. Okay, you can turn it off.
Is it time to put the water in?
Mm-hmm. job. Thanks for being my helper this morning.
Welcome.
Alright.
Time to get some water.
Yeah, we'll get them some water.
But first we have to check their eggs.
Oh, we will. Just hang on.
Hi, chicken. That one's fat.
They know they've got some water coming. And they are...
That one's fat.
Okay, Emma, can you help me? As soon as I come in, you're going to close the door for me so that the chickens don't get out?
You mean close the door from the outside?
Right. Can you do that for me?
Cool. That one's maybe good.
Okay, ready? Don't open it very far, just a little bit. And then as soon as I get in, close it, okay? There you go. Close it up. Good job. There you go, girls. Alright.
Because it's wide open. Because of the wind.
Alright, now hold that. And, yep. I'm going to take the other one in. Can you? Good job. Close it up. Yeah, I know, girls. Alright, make sure I have them balanced here so that they don't just all glug out. Good job.
You get your own eggs.
Alright. Thanks for helping me. Now, do you want to check their eggs?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. Let's check our eggs. See if they left us any.
And you can come in, Mom.
I can? Okay, 1 second.
Oh,
I see a couple. Alright, in you go. And we're going to try to close the door so that, yeah.
She's in the way.
Yeah, there we go. Good job. Alright. Now, you want me to hold this one? Okay, and then you can go in and...
Hi, Myrtle.
Hi, Myrtle. Alright.
Hi, Big Sister. Hi, everybody.
Now we're going to have to tell this little girl to get off of her egg.
Do you know how to get it off?
Yeah, come on. Can you get off the egg? I'm going to get right in here and get your eggs. Come on, let me get your eggs,
She
okay?
just laid that egg.
Don't peck, hey, don't peck me. That's not nice. Get out.
Did she peck you?
Yes, she did.
Why?
Well, she doesn't want me to collect the eggs, so I'm going to get a little scoop and...
Mama, the chickens will get out.
It's okay. They're okay.
My chickens, every chicken always.
Alright. You're
I
okay.
got scared.
Yeah, it's okay. They're not going to hurt you.
Are they going to pet?
No. Just this one
Mama.
that's sitting on the...
Only one. Mama, look, Myrtle's
She's sitting on the eggs and she doesn't want... Get out. Come on. Get out. Get out. You gotta let me get the eggs.
Mama,
Come on.
will they still not
Get out. Ugh.
Mama, will they still
Come on.
not get
You gotta get out. Come on. Get out. Get out. Come on. There.
Mama, are you bleeding?
Nope.
Mama.
She's just a very broody hen.
Mama.
Okay, so how many eggs did we get today?
3.
No?
What's 3 plus 3?
What's 3 plus 3? You tell me.
6.
Yes, we got 6 eggs today. Alright.
Now let's get them food.
They have some food, so they should be good.
Get the duck some.
Well, yeah, we'll get them some duck food. How's that sound? Alright.
Can you get them?
Yeah, I'll show them back in here. Come on.
Mama.
Come on.
Mama.
Alright. Come on. In you go.
Do
There you
they
go.
always surround you?
Well, they know that I'm going to get them food, so.
They surround you?
Yeah.
Why did they surround me? Were
Okay.
they like, will you get me food now?
Don't step on the eggs, okay? All right.
I got so many eggs.
Yep.
That chicken doesn't. Did you see how Myrtle's like, you're not getting my egg?
Myrtle hasn't laid an egg today, but she's making a lot of noise.
Yeah, Myrtle's protecting the egg, and she was like, get off of this egg.
No, that wasn't Myrtle. That was the brown hen. She's a little bit broody.
Her name is Caramel.
Oh.
I think Caramel got used, but can we go in there and give the ducks some food?
We already did. I gave them some food. So now, can you turn the light off?
Here?
Yep. And then we're going to head on out.
Why can't I open it?
Just shove. Yeah, good job.
Mama?
What?
Now I know that Caramel always is the one that protects the eggs.
All right.
Well, there was one chicken that picked Mom, but she's okay.
And how many eggs did we get?
Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 eggs.
Yes.
All right. Let's take them inside. And then we'll go on to the next project of the day, which is we're going to try to root some grapevine clippings and get them growing so we can have our own grapes. If you liked this video, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.